starts here. Houses in Piedmont real estate. Find your dream home in a fairy tale landscape.
Imagine a place where time stands still, where the gentle hills of the Langhe, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stretch out before you. This is the Alta Langa, a land of ancient stone villages like Bergolo, famous for its magical summer concerts, and Cortemilia, the heart of the Hazelnut country. Here, between these two gems, lies a property with a view that will simply take your breath away. Perched on a hilltop ridge, this rare estate offers a breathtaking 360-degree panorama. The centerpiece is a magnificent stone Langhe house, waiting to be restored to its former glory, with stunning stone-vaulted rooms on the ground floor. The property also includes a second habitable home, an ancient stone oven, large barns, and nearly 3 acres of surrounding woodland. This is more than a house. It's a chance to own a piece of history, to create your dream retreat in one of Italy's most enchanting landscapes. Don't just dream it, come and see it.